What's going on, hustlers? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today we are going to take a look at the blockchain gaming space and my favorite / most bullish crypto gaming NFT play to earn projects heading into not only Q4. A lot of these are very long-term plays. A lot of these won't even be in development, or some of these games won't even be in development for a couple, like they're developing right now, but we won't see gameplay for another year, 2 years. A lot of these are very long-term plays with very small caps. So these are very high risk and speculative. I am not an investment advisor, but this is one of the most high growth potential markets in all of the blockchain. And I'm going to get into exactly the assets that I've been looking into for my portfolio as the coins that I want to be the backbone of my crypto gaming portfolio side, and the games that I want to be my major growth potential in my crypto gaming portfolio. I really want to try to niche down here in Q4 and attack exactly what we've been going after here on the channel, which is DeFi projects among ecosystems like Cardano, Polkadot, and Avalanche. And I also want to try to find those gems in the NFT gaming world. We've already talked about Gala on the channel, for example. We will talk about Gala again today, but I'm going to kind of keep it quick, and I'm going to go through each project, exactly why I'm bullish on a lot of these. And a lot of them come as a sector, right? So each project is their own little niche they're trying to fill, and I want to get into exactly why I think that blockchain gaming can fill that void in the future. Be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. We just hit 4,000 subs, guys. That's absolutely crazy. I never really thought that the channel would be growing at the rate that it is. We are officially on the road to 5,000. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, and be sure to like the video if you enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Obviously, Axie is the leader in the market, guys. It's up 50% today, so don't go rushing to buy a lot of these because they're going to be up today. You're supposed to be buying whenever they're red. Don't be buying whenever they're pumping. That's what they call FOMO. But Axie, as a crypto, if you're building a crypto gaming portfolio, you should definitely have a little bit of Axie in your bag. It's kind of like just that. It's the top dog in the industry right now, and having it in your portfolio is kind of I wouldn't call it a must. The growth potential, obviously we see it up 50% today, but you're not going to, 5, 10, 15x this from where it is right now. This is just like the backbone. So this is something you want to have in your portfolio as a backbone. Like I said, do not go out and buying it right now. It is up 50%. Have a brain on you. Smooth Love Potion goes right along with Axie Infinity. It is like the XP system that you want. You want to collect Smooth Love Potion whenever you are playing Axie Infinity. 157,000 or 157 million market cap, up 16% today. I do love this asset as just a supplement to having Axie in your portfolio. And if you can't get a piece of Axie, if Axie is obviously a little too expensive for your liking at any time, you could always stack up your Smooth Love Potion. There are good gains to be had in Smooth Love Potion, especially if you just keep an eye on the price and buy whenever it's low and sell when it's high. With Smooth Love Potion, it's kind of up and down, as you can see across the market. But if you just keep your eye out and take profits along the way, I have Smooth Love Potion in my portfolio, and I have gotten good growth off of it in my portfolio as well. Sandbox is one of those blue chips in the gaming portfolio, like in the gaming blockchain industry. One that you might want to look into. It doesn't have that 5, 10, 15x potential as it stands right now. It's already a rank 114 coin. Sandbox's project could definitely grow. Obviously, you see the trajectory, nothing but bullish. But this is not a short term. Nothing that I'm talking about today is short term. So just keep that in mind. This is not going to, you're not going to be looking at $5 in 2 months on this project. And if it is, great, but I would highly doubt, these aren't those types of projects. We'll get into the bigger growth potential, lower market cap projects here at the end of the video. And Enjin, guys. Enjin is one that you 100% want to have as a backbone in your gaming portfolio. And these are the last for like my backbone projects. Enjin is an NFT agnostic ecosystem built to fuel economies, and Enjin is basically what would fuel the future of blockchain gaming when it comes to ownership. When you're talking about you're on Fortnite and you buy some skin and you look like, whatever your appearance that you buy, your skin, you don't own that whatsoever. You're just buying it. You're just giving Fortnite money and you're owning it on your gaming console. there's no real value. The second that you make that transaction, you lost money. You did not make anything out of that. Owning those in-game skins, in-game items mean nothing in the current standing of gaming. Think about all the gaming that goes on. And if you aren't familiar with how big the gaming industry is, go to twitch.tv and see how many people are playing each of the top games. You will see that this industry is only growing. Gaming is one of the more highly done activities across the entirety of the world. Gaming is only going to get bigger, and as blockchain and NFT play to earn games become a little more in the mainstream and get a little more adoption, you're going to start seeing gamers want to play some actual games where you play and you earn something that is actually of value. Then you're actually like, that's at the end of the day, that's a business, right? You're not just out here spending money on skins in a game. You're acquiring skins that can gain in value, and you could flip them over time. You could literally be a professional in-game type of investor, type of savant, if you might, if you are playing the game, right? But from an investor standpoint, we want to all get in front of this. This is an industry that is going to boom down the line. The concept of in-game ownership is only going to grow. And like I said, the amount of people gaming right now is only going to grow. And it's at its biggest it's ever been, too. Gaming is not going away, guys, and you have to think of the long term with all of these projects. Gala, we talked about when it was at 2 cents. I think the price, I was about to say, is at 10 cents. It's 5x since we first talked about it, but like I've mentioned, this project still has crazy potential. Backed by ex-Facebook execs, the creators of Farmville on Facebook, this team here is going to put out multiple dynamic projects in the future. They're in development with a game called Mirandus. They have Townstar out right now, which is very similar to Farmville. They have games in right now, and they have games that they are building for literally like 2021, 2022, 2023. Gala has a long-term vision, and it's the type of project that you want to be involved in, because this is going to become a backbone in the gaming portfolio, and having this in your portfolio. It is number 5, so by market cap standards, it's already pretty large. But Gala is easily $1 billion gaming studio when it comes to crypto and it comes to crypto games. And I don't see it not making that mark, especially when we're talking long term. And that's conservative, guys. I think Gala at $1 billion market cap long term is conservative as it gets. So very good growth potential for the future for Gala. And the games that they are putting together, coming soon. Townstar out now. Mirandus is one of their future games that they're coming out. They have Spider Tanks. So they're doing NFTs for Sin City right now. I've been getting emails about this all week. The Frank Miller 30-year anniversary Sin City NFT. So Gala has a lot going on, guys, and I would highly advise taking a look at this project overall and just their vision. Listen to their interviews. Like, their vision is something that will inspire you to want to get involved in the play-to-earn industry for the future and today. So very bullish for Gala. Let's get into Chain Guardians, a game. We'll take a look here at decentralized sci-fi and anime-inspired gaming universe. It's a RPG, and there's NFT mining. It's the world's first NFT mining game. Basically, blockchain superhero fighting game. Chainlink VRF, Mixie's World, Portal, your own Chain Guardian NFT cross-chain. So this project is just obviously like a RPG game. Superhero, and the Chain Guardians themselves are NFTs and are the superheroes of the cryptoverse and sworn protectors of the respective worlds. As true freedom fighters, they champion and forefront of the battle against the gatekeeper tyrant. Without their act of heroism and villainy, the cryptoverse would have undoubtedly fallen under the oppressive rule of the gatekeepers. So that's like the backstory of the game. RPG full release. This is in 2021. Commenced 3D PvP development, and Q4 they have the 2022 roadmap, the additional NFT mining features. So very bullish project here. And another project, this one's already on the market, guys, Chain Guardians, and it is trading at $35 million market cap. So if you believe in Chain Guardians, go look at some gameplay. We're not getting into gameplay today. We're just talking about projects that I have been either adding to my portfolio or have been looking to add to my portfolio, and B, projects that have crazy growth potential. That market cap, if they can improve their game over time and keep it relevant and grow with the space, if these games just grow with the times, improve their games, and just grow their ecosystem, keep their community strong, all these projects have crazy growth potential. And at 35 million, this is definitely an undervalued project potentially. The price is definitely up, though. The price is definitely up, and we see it's kind of consolidated for a while. It had a recent upsurge, but it could be due for another upsurge here pretty soon. You just never know. And then another one, Guild of Guardians, guys. Not going to spend a lot of time on this one. This one's not even out yet. One to put on your watch list for the future. Keep Guild of Guardians on your watch list. This will be way bigger than Chain Guardians. I can almost guarantee it. The studio behind it is more reputable. The concept, and this is exactly what I was talking about. Players spend $100 billion each year on in-game items, which they don't truly own. This is wrong. Players deserve to be able to own and trade their own assets for real money. This is why we are building a free-to-play mobile RPG where players can turn their passion into NFTs. Very bullish project. They're already partnered with NRG, Ubisoft, very credible and large gaming studios, guys. So, organization for NRG, but studio for Ubisoft. Very awesome looking NFT game for the future. This game is not out yet, and like I said, it is not tradable at the moment. So, check out Guild of Guardians when you have some time. And I think that is a very bullish project for the future. And Project Quantum. We made a video on this just a few weeks ago, and it has been surging. We literally talked about it like right around here, and we are up now. From there, it's about that 20% mark, that about 20% that we are up so far on Project Quantum. $20 million market cap. Guys, this is that type of project that you hold for years. You hold for years. This is not even 1 cent. You can pick up thousands and thousands and thousands of these quantums for so little actual monetary investment, and you just got to forget about it. You hold it, and you don't forget about it, obviously. This is one of those you stack up on, you keep it in your MetaMask, and you let that thing grow. Project Quantum is an awesome project if you need to look into it. I'm not going to go too far into it. This game won't even be out until 2022, 2023. So this project is a long-term project. I have a full video on Project Quantum, so I'm not going to go too far into it, but it's great to see it going up already. This project has literally 100x potential from whenever we talked about it in that last video. And even still at the $20 million market cap, I mean, we're talking about we're talking about a 50x potential if this project hits $1 billion market cap down the line. So potential 50x project with what Project Quantum is trying to build. Definitely go check out their website after the video, or my video on Project Quantum after this video. And then I want to get into the gambling side of things. We've gotten into the playing side of things, right? So we've talked about the games. We've talked about the gaming studios that are doing big things. We've talked about what fuels these games, like Enjin and Sandbox Enjin and Sandbox. We've talked about Gala, a studio. We've talked about Chain Guardians and Guild of Guardians, Project Quantum. Let's get into chain games, a completely different side of the spectrum. So imagine whenever you're playing a game with your boys or your friends, or whatever you're doing. You're like, I bet you don't make it to the end of the game. Or I bet you don't win this game of Madden or NBA 2K or whatever it is. Imagine being able to put together a bet on the blockchain and certify that over a video game. So chain games is enabling you to gamble on live esport events. Madden, NBA, FIFA, in the past, I know that they were partnered with multiple games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and more. So you look at, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, FIFA, NBA, Madden, Chano, Super Crypto Kart, Call of Duty. So this project here enables you to bet on esports as you watch. So, or you're watching a Twitch stream. It doesn't have to be like a professional esport. You're watching a Twitch stream, and you can make a bet over the blockchain about something that's going to occur in the game on the stream that you are watching. So that type of stuff is the future. So like there's nothing like that out there today. Twitch has a gambling system, but it's just for channel points. So you're not gaining anything of monetary value. Projects like Chain Game, Polker, and a couple other projects we're going to touch here have the real actual utility in enabling you to bet and gamble on esports and the game and the stream that you're watching, or a game that you're potentially playing. So these projects are super bullish, and Chain Game's here sitting at doesn't even have a market cap, guys, on CoinMarketCap, 16 cents. Very bullish project here, and it has consolidated quite a bit since a major pump. So worth looking into Chain Games, allowing you to bet on esports here. Very cool project. And then Polker, obviously it is exactly what it sounds like. It is a online poker platform based on the Polkadot blockchain, and the multi-crypto marketplace patent allows to avoid forcing users to convert proprietary currency. Users may hold a single currency or a diverse portfolio and use multiple currencies across all the platforms. And obviously, what is poker? Well, Polker is the first NFT play-to-earn blockchain-based poker game powered by PKR. It utilizes the Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine is fantastic for immersive and powerful gameplay. It puts the user experience above else, a clean break from previous poker platforms. In addition to casino gaming, Polker features social technology, beautiful visuals, customizable aesthetics, unlockable cosmetic items, and an experience-based progression system. Awesome project that Polker is trying to build. And another one, I would say, that has better marketing, let's say, is Virtue Poker. Virtue Poker, another obviously poker platform, online blockchain poker play-to-earn platform. Virtue Poker is a decentralized poker platform that uses Ethereum blockchain and peer-to-peer network to provide an online poker site that's safe, honest, and fun. If you know anything about poker, that is one of the greats. Phil Ivey, celebrity charity event. They have Paul Pierce, Phil Ivey, Vince Vaughn, Mr. Beast, Justin Sun, and Joseph Lubin. Obviously, Justin Sun, Tron founder, and Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin. So very cool projects that these projects are putting together. Because think about how big the gambling industry is. Think about how big the online poker industry is. Whenever that comes to the blockchain mainstream, what would you rather, whenever you're talking about just the incentive of, would you rather play for dollars or would you rather play for shares of your favorite cryptocurrencies down the line, right? So if you could choose the poker platform to grow on and, play on in the Ethereum blockchain, the Polkadot blockchain, that will probably eventually be your choice which one you want to operate on, not to mention the ERC20 converter that will definitely allow other blockchains to swap over very easily if people don't want to use the Ethereum blockchain down the line, which I'm sure Virtue Poker will take advantage of. And obviously, guys, this already happened. Just pointing out that their marketing is a lot better, I would say, than poker. But this project recently pumped. It really recently pumped a little bit. So I would honestly, it's kind of consolidated ever since its recent pump. So do what you will, but these poker projects here have great visions because of how broad the spectrum is on online poker, online gambling, etc. And that leads me to my next project, Ridotto, a very new and recently launched project on the Cardano blockchain, and it is sitting at 40 cents right now. Literally, guys, the chart only goes back to September 28th. It just went live for trading, and it's down from its initial price as expected because of anyone who got in on like an IDO type of thing were able to snag up those low. Undervalued for the project's ambitions. If you take a look, DeRace is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem. You know how high dollar and high interest the horse racing industry is. And a lot of horse racing betting goes on as well, and we'll get into that in a second, where you can breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT hippodrome, and make profit while doing it. So as you see, introducing a never-before-seen twist to NFTs, DNA-enriched NFT horses, and community-owned NFT hippodromes that players can fully interact with. Obviously, NFT horses, horse breeding, horse races. You have horse betting. You can literally bet on these NFT horse races. DeRace betting is a transparent. Calculations and coefficients are fully automated by an algorithm. very cool. And horse races take place in hippodromes owned by bookmakers. Bookmakers make a profit from fees and bets made before the race. In-game horse marketplace. NFT horses can be bought and sold both in the DeRace marketplace or in any other marketplace. So, in my opinion, all of these type of projects on the back end are trying to revolutionize what is a $1 billion, and it really is a $1 billion industry, guys. Like the gambling industry is a $1 billion plus industry easily. And then you're taking all of these platforms in their youth stages and building a platform on that, in that same niche, in a sector in the blockchain that is yet to be adopted. This project here has a $3 million market cap. This project here has a $6 million market cap, guys. These are super early projects, early development with a lot of ambition and use case behind all of them. And that's from the start to finish. All these projects are super bullish for the future. NFT gaming space will only get bigger from here in the play to earn gaming space. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Let me know your favorite projects that we discussed in the video today. Let me know your favorite project that I didn't discuss down below. And if there's a project you want me to touch on more, let me know down below in the comments. I appreciate you watching to the end of the video. Thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers once again. We will be back with another video later tonight, I believe. If not, it'll be up in the morning, guys. I appreciate the support. Y'all have a great rest of your evening, day, morning, wherever you are. Stay bullish. Peace.